Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WordPress site from cPanel backups, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your cPanel account. Locate the File Manager under the Files section. Open the File Manager to access your website files. Navigate to the public_HTML directory. This is where your WordPress files are typically stored. If you have a backup folder, open it to find your backup files. If you don't see a backup folder, return to the main directory. Look for the Backup or Backup Wizard option in cPanel. Download the full backup file if you haven't done so already. Once you have your backup downloaded, go back to File Manager. If restoring from a .zip file, use the Upload option. Select the backup file from your local computer. After the upload completes, right-click on the file. Select Extract to unpack the files in the public_HTML directory. Once the extraction is complete, confirm that all files are present. Next, go to the phpMyAdmin section in cPanel. This is where we will work with the database. Find the database associated with your WordPress installation. Select the database and click on the Import tab. Click the Browse button and choose your database backup file. If you don't have a backup, create a new database. Import the .sql file from your backup. After the import completes, check for any error messages. If there are no errors, your database has been restored successfully. Ensure that the wp-config.php file points to the correct database. Make any necessary adjustments to database settings. Next, review your website files to confirm everything is in place. Clear your browser cache to see the restored site. If issues persist, check for plugins or themes that might be causing conflicts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.